Hey guys, so I got a package from Pastry box. They have the little cute card that says we couldn't let Valentine's Day pass without thanking you for being an amazing client. Pastry box BW appreciates you. XOXOXO gossip girl. Just kidding, Pastry box. So they sent this cute little, oh, it's so cute, it's so cute. So yeah, I'm kidding off a lot. Of course I'm going to do a makeup look to match the package, duh. I think I'm gonna do my base off camera and then I just come with the eye look. Yep, I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is like sort of the look that I'm going for. The heart right there, and red lip. The super juicy red lip. What's Valentine's Day without a red lip? I'm dipping into red eyeshadow right here, creating a wing liner with the red eyeshadow. Ooh, rain is coming. Oh, it's looking juicy. I'm gonna put white liner, white pencil on my waterline. These tiny little things. You can end right here if you don't have. You can end right here if you don't have pearls, but like, is it a kitty left without look if it doesn't have rhinestones and pearls? It's not. So if you want these, I sell them, guys. I do sell them. I'm just gonna draw it hot with less glue and then go in. Yeah, that's the look. That's it. It's that simple. I don't have time to resolve at the same time. I'm gonna move on. I'm just gonna, yeah, we'll move on. And this is the final look. What do you think? What do you think? Is it giving? Is it giving? The pearls, the pearls, the pearls. The red, you know, the red lip, the red wing, if you can even see it through the liner, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with it. I like it. So simple but so cute and adorable. Yeah, so if you guys want to get this for your Valentine or Galentine or Valentine, what is it for, guys? Whatever. If you want to show love to whomever, just on Valentine's Day, just place an order with Pastry box, that Pastry box BW on Facebook ID, and Pastry box on Instagram as well. So it's around, I think it's $2.50, but with more cupcakes. Yeah. I'll put up the flyer right here. I'll put up the flyer. So, but yeah, this is the final look. It's been a while since I put on makeup, and yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling gorgeous. Tell me what you think of the look. rate it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, if you got to the end, you're a real one. Like, thank you so much. Yeah, I'll see you on the next video.